How to automatically play next episode on Netflix. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can automatically play next episode on Netflix. So to do that, first of all, open your Netflix. Now once you're on the Netflix homepage, click on your profile icon on the top right corner of your screen and then click on account. Now it will take you to the accounts page where you'll have to scroll down until you see profile and parental controls. Now you'll have to click on your profile and then scroll down. There you'll have to click on the option playback settings. After that, it will basically provide you two autoplay settings there. You'll have to tick the first option, namely autoplay next episode in a series on all devices. That way, if you are watching a series and one episode ends, it will automatically play the next episode. So that is basically how you automatically play next episode on your Netflix account. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.